Hi, my name is Jerry Han, and today I'm going to talk about how monetization works on YouTube. Many of you might be new to YouTube, or you might have been on the platform for a while, and you might not know how these creators are making a living off of posting videos online. So today I'm going to go through the process of how someone gets approved for the YouTube Partnership Program, and I'm going to talk about how YouTube compares to other social media platforms and why someone might want to choose YouTube for creating a business or starting their own personal brand. And finally, I'm going to go over some tips that I have gotten that might grow your channel even quicker. So let's go through the basics first. By creating content on YouTube, you are essentially partnering with them. They will run ads throughout your video, and you can choose where you want to put those ads. In the end, you will get 55% of the revenue, and they will get 45%. Once you get approved on your YouTube Creator Studio, you may see a graph that looks like this. Under CPM, which means cost per milli, another word for it is cost per 1,000 views. This is the number that advertisers pay per 1,000 views on your channel. And this number can range from as low as $1 to as high as $30 for different types of channels. In the middle, you'll see an abbreviation RPM. That stands for revenue per million, which is also revenue per 1,000 views. This is the amount that you take home in the end. This number includes the amount you made from ads and channel memberships, which you may want to turn on after you get monetized. In order for YouTube to send money to you, you will also need to create a Google AdSense account. This is something that we will talk about more later on. Now let's talk about what separates YouTube from the rest of the social media platforms and why you might want to choose them over the others. Now you might not know this, but if you run a business or a public brand on Instagram or Facebook, they'll run ads on your account, but they won't pay you. And what's even worse is if you ever wanted to boost your profile or a post on Facebook, if you wanted to get more public views on it, you would actually have to pay them instead. What's different about YouTube is that YouTube partners with you. If you get approved for monetization, they will run ads on your videos and push your videos to a wider audience. The better you do, the better YouTube does. So it's a partnership completely different from other social media platforms. And this doesn't even include all the other opportunities that may come from you creating a successful YouTube channel. Some other sources of revenue that may come out of it include affiliates, sponsorships, and even merch if you wanted to create a line of your own. The sky's the limit when you grow a loyal following. So in order to become an eligible partner for YouTube, your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. And even after you've met the requirement, it can take around 20 days for YouTube to look over your channel and approve it. But that's not the end of it. After approval, you need to sign up for a Google AdSense account. Now, I've watched other creators say that they were able to create an AdSense account before they were approved, but I personally have looked into it and have not been able to find a method of doing so. But if any of you have had success with creating a Google AdSense account before being approved for YouTube, let me know down in the comments below. But if you've already owned a website or a blog that advertises with Google AdSense before you started on YouTube, then you might have already had a Google AdSense account, so you would be one step ahead compared to the rest of us. But now let's go through the process of creating an account with Google AdSense. Now keep in mind that my channel has not yet been monetized, so I have not gone through this personally myself. This is what I have seen other creators do and what they have said on other videos. But if you would like to see another updated video of me going through this process personally, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be sure to make an updated video. The process is pretty strict to make sure that you're legitimate, but that's a good thing. So I've heard that when you create an account, you enter in your current address where you are residing currently. They will then send over a piece of paper with a code to your address, which you will then type into your AdSense account. After you have done this, they will then verify your bank account by sending over a few cents. Once you receive that amount, you type it in the web page and they will then check if the amount that you've received is the same as the amount that they've sent over. After this, they will ask you to verify your tax information, and once you've done this, you should be good to go. But this whole process of them sending a physical code to your house to verifying your bank account and your tax information can take anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks. Now here's my tip that I personally haven't been doing, but I will start doing in order to get monetized faster on YouTube. By now we all know that a creator needs to obtain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to be considered for the YouTube partnership program. But in case you haven't noticed, when you watch a video, they don't display the watch time in hours, they display the watch time in minutes. So to put the requirement into perspective, you need 1,000 subscribers and 240,000 minutes of watch time in order to be considered for the program. Now you might be thinking, how am I ever gonna get to 240,000 minutes of watch time? But if you think about it, if you upload videos that are 10 minutes or longer, you would only need 24,000 views or less, depending on the length of your video and your watch time per video. And if you've been on YouTube for a while now, you'll see that it's not uncommon for videos from other creators to gain hundreds of thousands of views. So if you upload videos that are 10 minutes or longer, and you upload more videos, over time, it'll give you more of a chance for more exposure, and will thus grow your YouTube channel a lot faster. Another reason that you might want to upload 10-minute videos is that YouTube promotes it more. In the end, YouTube is an advertising platform, so they want you to stay on this platform for as long as possible. If you upload a 10-minute video compared to a 3-minute video, who do you think YouTube will want to promote more? It's pretty obvious because in 10-minute videos, YouTube can put more ads, which will then make them more money. But those were the basics of how monetization on YouTube works, how to be eligible, the advantages of creating on YouTube, and my tips for growing a YouTube channel. The process one might have to go through in order to become a paid creator, and my tips that I will start implementing myself in order to grow a YouTube channel faster. That being said, I'm currently in the process of doing so it would help me a lot if you gave this video a thumbs up if you found any of this information helpful. Comment down below anything you think I might have missed or any other video ideas you might want to see from me, and I'll be sure to reply back. Subscribe if you want to see more of my content or just more of me in general, and feel free to share this video with your family and friends if you think they could benefit from any of this information. I'll see you soon in the next video.